W dressing, and guys, their stuff looks so freaking delicious on Instagram. Their hot sauce, guys, it has dates in it. And I don't know if you guys have previously tried hot sauces with dates, but I have tried the Severe Foods and it has dates in it and it's so flavorful, so freaking delicious. So I am expecting tons of flavor from this one. But maybe it's hot too, because it's from North Carolina. You never know. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I know, I wasn't thinking about the hot part. I was just thinking, oh, it has dates in it. Mouth-watering dates. I just love dates. Just be munching on them all the freaking time. All their information, guys, will be down on the description box down below so that you guys can go check them out. But for right now, guys, let's open them. I got 2 boxes. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, ¿verdad? Let's go ahead and open one para ver qué agarré. See how this tastes. Ooh. Okay. Oh, let me open it, Ooh, look at this, it's so cute. Oh, you guys see the dates? I was telling you guys about the dates, guys. This is the sweet date hot sauce. Okay, it says sweet. So, deliciousness, right? Hopefully this doesn't have a lot of spice in it. Ooh, a little scary, ¿verdad? Let me read you guys the ingredients. It has 100% organic date syrup, pepper sauce, tomato paste, water, salt, vinegar, guajillo chile peppers. Okay, we're starting off great. Scotch bonnet chili peppers. Those have heat, guys. Those have a lot of heat. Onion, smoked paprika, mustard seed. Ooh, mustard seed in the hot sauce. Freaking delicious. Pepper, garlic, chipotle pepper, butter powder. Butter powder, really? Never tried anything with butter powder. That's cool. And maltodextrin, which is a natural flavor. So let me give it a good shake. And vamos a abrirla. Vamos a ver a qué sabe. Oh my goodness. Si la puedo abrir, guys. I'm always struggling with this part. It's going. Es que no tengo uñas, guys. No tengo uñas, so it's kind of hard. Ooh, look at this dripper stopper cap. Well, I guess it's a thin consistency, but you guys know how I am. Let's go ahead and take that off. Let me get my cuchara, guys. Get your guys' own customized wood burn spoons at Pepper Envy LLC. Only $5. Never pay shipping or taxes. And let's go ahead and pour this. Oh, yes, nice thin consistency. That's why it has a dripper stopper. But let's get a nice spoonful and let's see how this tastes. Hopefully it's not extremely hot. I mean, it does have Scotch bonnets, guys. Oh my goodness, wow. Burst of flavor. So freaking delicious, yes. It has heat towards the end. It's like tickling my throat, guys. It does have heat. But up front, you have that sweetness followed with the saltiness. Like, it's just perfectly combined. And the chiles, like, you get the guajillo taste. You guys tasted guajillo, right? It's like a staple in a Mexican household to have guajillos. So I taste the guajillos in it. And guajillos don't have spice. It just has a beautiful color. So I'm guessing this color is from the guajillos, but those Scotch bonnets, man, they kick in. I'm telling you guys, like, I have like a tickle in my throat because of the heat. It's like stuck right there. It's like lingering in the back of my throat. But it's so good. This is so good. Put this on anything, guys. Oh, some ground turkey tacos right now. Sounds so delicious with this. So freaking bomb. All right, let me try the next one, guys. Vamos a abrirlo. All right. What way is better to open it? It really doesn't matter. Sometimes people comment and they're like, you open the box backwards. I'm like, honestly, I don't really care what way I open it, as long as I get into the product, you know what I mean? Ooh, this one's big. Take a look at this one, guys. Ooh, this is, it's a balsamic vinaigrette. What? That is so cool. Oh my goodness. What are the ingredients in this one? Has 100% organic date syrup. The heat's still lingering there, guys. Water, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, light salt, Italian seasoning, which is thyme, basil, rosemary, and sage, garlic powder, black pepper, sodium benzoate, and xanthan gum as an added preservative. Let me give this a good little shake. Oh, the flavor in the other one. Like, I got that aftertaste in my mouth. Oh, that is so freaking good. Like, beyond delicious, guys. It is so bomb. Okay, I'm gonna need my knife for this one. No la puedo abrir, guys. No puedo abrir. It just popped right off. Look at that. Where's my knife when I need it all that time, huh? There's times I really struggle with them. Oh my goodness. Chicken Caesar salad, like, ya se me antojó right now. Okay, same liquidy consistency, but come on, guys, it's a vinaigrette. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, this one doesn't have heat like the other one, which I love the hot sauce heat. It is so freaking delicious. It's not an extreme, like extremely heat source that you're like burning and you're like, I can't taste nothing. No, and it like tickles your mouth at the end, but you get to taste all the flavor. This one, guys, this one on salads to marinate. Imagínate marinating some fish, your carne, your chicken. Oh, this one's so good. I like how you guys came up with like very versatile products that you can use for many things. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Like, I just want to make some ground turkey tacos to go with them and have like a side of a salad. So good. My salads don't look like normal salads, guys. They're big. They're big. Imagínate, like nachos también with ground turkey. A salad with some ground turkey también. It's probably not a salad, but consider it a salad. Oh, it's so good, guys. Honestly, I can just drink this out of the bottle. It is that delicious. I love the sweetness in here. All the herbs, wow, they really shine through. You taste the rosemary, the sage, nice. You guys really took your time in perfecting this one, and I can tell. Guys, go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you CW Dressing for sending me these bomb products. You guys have a super amazing day. Bye.